Well, you're about to find out. In today's video, we'll be uncovering the incredible benefits of pumpkin seeds and how they can transform your overall well-being. But before we delve into the details, it's important to remember that while pumpkin seeds offer numerous health advantages, individual results may vary. It's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. Now let's unlock the secrets of pumpkin seeds and discover how they can transform your well-being. 1. Improved prostate health. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, a mineral known for its beneficial effects on the prostate gland. Zinc helps maintain the proper functioning of the prostate by regulating hormone levels and supporting overall prostate health. Pumpkin seeds contain phytosterols, plant compounds that have been associated with reducing the risk of prostate enlargement and related urinary symptoms. The phytosterols in pumpkin seeds are believed to inhibit the conversion of testosterone to dihydrotestosterone, a hormone that can contribute to prostate enlargement. By blocking this conversion, pumpkin seeds may help prevent the development of benign prostatic hyperplasia, a common condition affecting many men as they age. Pumpkin seeds are a natural source of antioxidants, including vitamin E, which has been linked to a lower risk of prostate cancer. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation that can contribute to the development and progression of cancer cells. Some studies have shown that regular consumption of pumpkin seeds may help lower prostate-specific antigen levels, which are often used as an indicator of prostate health. The combination of zinc, phytosterols, and antioxidants in pumpkin seeds offers a multifaceted approach to promoting a healthy prostate. 2. Alleviate muscle cramps. Pumpkin seeds are a rich source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in muscle function and relaxation. Magnesium helps regulate muscle contractions and prevents excessive muscle excitability, reducing the likelihood of cramps. Pumpkin seeds also contain potassium,